Today, we're diving straight into the geometry behind retail success. Literally the hidden, behind-the-scenes mechanics of the products you see every single day. We're focusing on a completely fascinating, cutthroat battleground, the 10 rupee flavored milk segment in India. Now, you probably don't think much about the shape of the cardboard holding your drink, right? Well, by the end of this explainer, you're going to see exactly how mere millimeters of cardboard can completely make or break a brand's commercial success. Let's get right into it. Here's the truly wild part to start us off, the baseline parity. We're looking at two massively popular products in the Indian market that offer the exact same volume, 80 milliliters, for the exact same price point of 10 rupees. In a market this incredibly tight, the actual product formulation and the price are virtually identical. So how on earth do you actually win?
Well, it creates this fantastic visual paradox. Take a look at Cream Bell's Kesar Badam milkshake compared to Parle Agro's smooth toffee caramel. They contain the exact same amount of liquid, no difference, but somehow the Cream Bell's pack looks distinctly short and compact, while the smooth pack stands tall, bold, and honestly just seems like a much larger drink.
Section 1. The geometry of 10 rupees. Strategic packaging.
This difference in shape, it is absolutely not a design coincidence or some manufacturing fluke or a random graphic design choice. It is a highly calculated, strategic packaging decision with very real commercial outcomes. Let's take Smooth first. They use a taller, elongated carton. That specific geometry is designed on purpose to project a larger perceived size on the shelf. The extra vertical space gives them room for a massive, bold brand name you can easily read from several feet away. It's basically a tall drink of water built to grab your attention instantly.
Cream Bell, on the flip side, opts for a shorter, super compact primary pack structure. Now sure, it doesn't scream at you from across the store quite as loudly, but as we're about to see, what it gives up in pure vertical real estate, it absolutely makes up for in behind-the-scenes efficiency.
Section 2. The Visicooler battlefield, space utilization.
Okay, to really grasp why these shapes matter so much, we have to look at the physical battleground where these products actually live, the retailer's Visicooler. Next time you're at the store grabbing a drink, look closely at that fridge. It has entirely fixed dimensions, a fixed width, a fixed depth, and a fixed height. You literally cannot magically create more space inside a glass door fridge. It's essentially a high-stakes game of retail Tetris. Because of this, carton proportions directly dictate your packing density. Every single millimeter decides exactly how much product a retailer can physically store. So, the whole thing comes down to a crucial trade-off. A compact pack like Cream Bell lets you fit way more units per row, and it perfectly utilizes the depth of that fridge. A taller pack like Smooth, however, leaves vertical gaps and reduces the total number of units that fit on a single shelf. But of course, it offers a much punchier visual presence to the consumer.
Section 3. Volume versus visibility. The strategic trade-off.
And this brings us right to the core strategic choice that fast-moving consumer goods brands have to make. Do you prioritize volume, getting as much product into the store as humanly possible, or do you prioritize visibility, making sure your product is the first one the customer sees? Cream Bell optimizes for throughput. We can call them team density. By using that compact shape, they ensure the retailer can hold significantly more stock in the exact same amount of cooler space. This means super efficient vertical stacking and a massively reduced risk of stockouts during rush hour. When the brutal summer heat hits and everyone wants a cold drink, Cream Bell is still sitting right there in the fridge, while a bulkier competitor might be totally sold out.
Smooth, meanwhile, acts as team visibility. They're consciously taking a hit on stock capacity in that cooler just to grab your attention. That taller pack means stronger visual standout, much better brand recall, and maximized consumer focus. They are betting the farm that their bold shelf impact will drive higher impulse purchases even if the retailer has to hustle to restock the fridge way more frequently.
Section 4. The engines behind the cartons. Carton manufacturing.
Now, it's one thing to want a specific shape, but how do you actually make it happen at an industrial scale? To really understand this, we have to zoom out and look at the massive B2B manufacturing war that makes these distinct geometries possible in the first place. What we're looking at is a classic David versus Goliath scenario in the aseptic carton market. On one side, you have the globally dominant leader, Tetra Pak, sitting comfortably on around 70% of the market share. On the other side, you've got SIG, a really strong, highly agile challenger out of Switzerland, who is carving out a significant chunk of the market by doing things quite differently.
And you can actually see this out in the real world. If you check the back of a Cream Bell pack, right up there near the top fold, you'll uncover the hidden engine. It says Packaging by SIG. Cream Bell is packed using SIG's aseptic carton system. This isn't just a fun little label, it's the core technological choice that dictates the shape of the entire box.
The technological divide between these two giants is completely fascinating. Tetra Pak relies on massive, continuous material rolls. The machine forms, fills, and seals the carton all at once. It is an absolute beast built for ultimate massive scale. SIG, however, delivers pre-made flat sleeves straight to the factory. The machine simply pops the sleeve open, fills it, and seals it up. That flat sleeve system is what allows filling machines to rapidly switch between totally different carton shapes and volumes with just incredible speed.
Section 5. Calculating true packaging costs. Total cost versus price. Okay, let's peel back another layer and look at the actual financial reality here. Because in the 10 rupee segment, cardboard alone, costing anywhere from 1 rupee 80 to 3 rupees 20, can literally eat up 20 to 28% of the product's entire retail price.
Now, while the pure material prices between the two are actually quite close, the real secret lies in the total cost of ownership. When you factor in the machinery, SIG very often wins out for challenger brands. They offer lower machine investment costs, insanely short changeover times to switch between sizes, and a waste rate that is basically non-existent, under 0.5%.
So the crucial takeaway is that total cost of ownership beats pure material price almost every time. For a brand running multiple small SKUs, promotional sizes, and these quick 10 rupee packs, this kind of operational agility and low waste frequently beats out the massive brute force scale that standard roll-fed systems offer.
Section 6. Winning the retail shelf. Commercial outcomes. Let's tie this all together. We've gone from the shape of a tiny box to the real estate inside a fridge, all the way up to global manufacturing giants. As the source material perfectly captures, packaging is no longer just protection or branding. It is a space and sales optimization tool. Those seemingly minor, tiny millimeters of difference between a short box and a tall box directly translate into accurate planograms, smarter stock allocation, and ultimately winning the retail shelf. It's not just a vessel holding milk, it's a structural strategy to maximize profit per square inch.
So I want to leave you with this thought. The next time you open a convenience store Visicooler to grab a quick 10 rupee drink, take a second to really look at the geometry sitting on the shelf. Ask yourself, which strategy actually won your impulse buy today? Was it the dense efficiency of the compact pack that was simply in stock when you needed it? Or was it the bold, tall visibility of the pack that practically grabbed your eye from across the room? Think about it.
आज की खबर न्यूज़ पैकिंग मार्केट। टेट्रा पैक और बहुत सारी पैकिंग कंपनियों का आज अपने विश्लेषण किया। 10 रुपीज़ पैक, 5 रुपीज़ पैक, टेट्रा पैक और बहुत सारी पैकिंग कंपनियाँ लीडिंग टेट्रा पैक है। मात्र मार्केट 5 रुपया 10 रुपया। इसकी डिमांड तो हाई रहती है, मगर ये 5 रुपये और 10 रुपये में प्रोडक्ट कंटिन्यू रखना कंपनी के लिए, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर के लिए और समरी के लिए इतना आसान नहीं है। जैसे कि देखा जाए आइसक्रीम मार्केट में शीतल आइसक्रीम ने फर्स्ट 10 रुपीज़ में कोन देना स्टार्ट कर दिया था। फिर लीडिंग ब्रांड को भी सबको 10 रुपीज़ आइसक्रीम कोन मार्केट में आना पड़ा। जैसे बालाजी वेफर्स 10 रुपीज़, हल्दीराम्स 5, 10, वैसे ही पार्ले एग्रो 10 रुपये में पूरा मार्केट पे कब्जा कर लिया डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स में। और बिकम पार्ले एग्रो 10 रुपीज़ प्राइस में लीडिंग डेयरी बेवरेज ब्रांड बन गया। पेप्सिको को टेक ओवर करने के बाद वरुण बेवरेज क्रीमबेल को भी टेक ओवर करने के बाद क्रीमबेल भी अभी डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स मिल्क शेक मार्केट में अपना कब्जा कर रहे हैं। उसी सेक्शन आज आपने चेक किया, क्रीमबेल 10 रुपीज़ केसर बादाम, डैम कूल बादाम